Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, heated front seats, security system. Come take a test drive today.
With Lincoln Certified Pre-Owned Vehicles, you can rest assured that you're getting a vehicle you can count on. All Lincoln Certified vehicles go through a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians and come with a comprehensive warranty. And just to ease your mind, they also provide 24/7 roadside assistance. Check out your local Lincoln dealer today to find out all the other benefits buying a Lincoln Certified vehicle can offer you.